मेरी डेडिकेशन देख रहे हो आप सब, यू नो आई एम सच अ नाइस यूट्यूबर फॉर यू ऑल।
लग ही रहा भाई जली हुई है।
नहीं यार, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट। I've seen people staring at me like what is she trying to do? अपना शर्माते क्यों, घर का ही ब्लॉग है। Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and guess what vlog it is? It is travel vlog because we are in Jim Corbett and we are staying at this property called Ahana Resort. Also मेरा mood is not that great सुबह से because we had a wardrobe disaster in the morning because okay, I'll tell you what happened. I'm wearing this very cutesy outfit and I was carrying very cute, you know, heels with it. And what just happened with me कि जो मेरा पूरा backpack था for my footwear, वो I forgot घर पे ही. I don't know because whenever we went for like a staycation kind of thing, the most exciting thing for me is that I'll wear this outfit because yes, of course, being a girl, it is one of the most important thing. And मैंने उस चीज़ को ही messed up कर दिया, so I am a bit sad right now, but it's okay. We'll definitely figure out something for sure.
Stop playing games. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling. Just let the moment take us. These confessions won't break us. It could only.
The current update is that I just got ready because पूरा travel करते करते I was very much tired. Not just me, my mom and dad, everyone were tired. So yeah. Finally I got ready and we're just gonna see how the day really went because this property is so pretty and अभी मैंने इसको 1% भी explore नहीं किया, so you have to be with me and we'll see what will happen with the day, so stay tuned. Not so good fact about all these resorts is that इतना ज़्यादा यहाँ पे चलना पड़ता है ना, I don't like it. मैं अभी से थक गई हूँ already, but it is fine because I know we're gonna have so much fun. Okay.
On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On this ride, let's make love. If you want to mess around, don't tell me. Every time you out around.
Hi in my vlog. We are having some chai and cookies. हमारा favorite thing to do. How much do you love tea, मासी? आज बता ही दो.
बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है।
We are having our tea, evening tea, and yes, because this is the thing that हर इंडियन के दिमाग में जो होती है कि अगर आपके हेडेक हो रहा है तो चाय पी लो ठीक हो जाएगा, अगर you're not feeling good चाय पी लो ठीक हो जाएगी. So we are doing the same thing. Masi was not feeling well, so we are having some chai. So yeah, Masi is doing food vlogging today. Food review. अपना शर्माते क्यों, घर का ही vlog है.
On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On this ride, let's make love. If you want to mess around, don't tell me. Every time you out around, I'm blazing. I'm aware you're telling lies, but I wear to close my eyes. On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right.
Okay, so I am on my way and I was legit craving for eating Maggie. And of course, my mom, she just called me कि come quickly. मैं tell Maggie बनवाई है, so we just going to eat it because obviously पहाड़ों में हो तो यार मैगी खानी तो बनती है. What are you having?
आलू मिक्स पकौड़े.
Okay. Food review now. Taste it. Okay, wait. Good? Is it good?
You do me right, yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Stop playing games. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling. Just let the moment take us. These confessions won't break us. It could only make us. It could only make us. Come on, baby, let's do it.
किसी भी स्टेकेशन पे आते हैं तो आपके अंदर का इंडियन क्यों जाग जाता है मम्मा? इतना स्वीट, इतना मीठा, ओ माय गॉड। क्या क्या लाए हो आप?
ये देखो
कुल्फी एंड दिस इज सम फ्रूट कस्टर्ड, पेस्ट्रीज एंड जलेबी, रबड़ी एंड गाजर का हलवा। अब अपना फेस दिखाओ जरा आप मेरी ऑडियंस को। हेलो पापा। खाओ खाओ, आप भी मीठा खाओ। Current update is that we had our dinner. I had my dinner and the dinner was really good. But the fact is that मेरी actual में तबीयत थोड़ी ख़राब हो गई है because यहाँ पे evening में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होगी and as you can see I'm wearing a shawl because I was not carrying anything with myself because I knew इतनी ठंड नहीं होगी, but I was absolutely wrong because बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी. So yeah, I had a few things like I had a few snacks or something for dinner. I had nothing else because मेरी इतनी कैपेसिटी नहीं थी कि मैं और कुछ भी खाती. But then मेरी मम्मा ने यहाँ पूरा बुफे खोल दिया है. Like this is insane, the amount of sweet that we have here. I can never convince my parents to do dieting or anything because वो मेरी सुनते ही नहीं है. And see, आज तो आपको मैंने पकड़ा है मम्मा. आज तो मैंने आपकी चोरी पकड़ ली. इतना मीठा. अभी my dad is going to have his dinner because वो थोड़ा late आए थे. So yeah. Also one of the other reason because यहाँ पे इतनी ठंड है because we are having a dinner at the pool side, like if you can see there, this pool. So this is one of the reason because पानी जो होता है तो वहाँ बहुत ठंड होती है. But it is okay. I forgot to show you. I also got my nails done. Hello. What are you having, Papa? My dad is the last one who's having dinner right now. How's your holidays going? Relaxing? फिर भी fun तो करते हैं नहीं आप? Much better. Good. We are having good food. We are at a nice place. We are having fun. So yeah. कुछ बोलना चाहते हो पापा मेरे vlog में?
बहुत ही बढ़िया ब्लॉग बनाती है, सब्सक्राइब करा दो.
Thank you. Thanks पापा. Please subscribe कर दो. मेरे पापा ने बोल दिया. Dad is doing his dinner. We are done. And mom
नो कमेंट.
is eating very unhealthy stuff. Very much unhealthy.
कुल्फी फलूदा
हाँ कुल्फी फलूदा unhealthy
माय
food.
फेवरेट.
Stop playing games. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling.
That is so innocent.
ये लग ही रहा था ये जली हुई है.
नहीं यार, of course not.
अच्छा वो है.
वो बैटरी ऑपरेटेड है ना, ये देखो. तो एक सेकंड, आपको नहीं बताती ये बात?
नहीं.
What? This is something really new. But this is the prettiest decoration. Just look. कुछ बोलना चाहोगे पापा आप डेकोरेशन के बारे में? कितनी वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस, वेरी प्रिटी. So guys, it is currently 11:30. Just to update you that we ended up with the day. The day went really well. I've also changed my clothes. I've into my PJs. Also, I'm a bit scared because it is said that यहाँ पे ऐसे खुलेआमी टाइगर्स वगैरह घूमते रहते हैं and everything. So I'm a bit scared, but मेरी dedication देख रहे हो आप सब, I'm such a nice YouTuber for you all because I'm like, okay, I want to update, I want to give an update that what actually happened, what is actually happening. So the thing is that we might go to a few famous spots of this place and I'm not sure about it because my dad actually planned everything, and whenever he used to plan things, so I cannot say कि सब कुछ वैसे ही जाएगा. So yeah. Also I forgot to give you all a room tour. This is what it looks like. I'll definitely give it tomorrow in the morning for sure. So abhi ke liye we're just gonna go and sleep. And this is what it looks like. This is actually very very horrifying, you can say. I don't know if it's even visible. Okay, now it is, but ठीक है, because स्पेशली मम्मा ने मना किया था अभी कि बाहर नहीं आना है, बाहर नहीं जाना है, एंड शी इज़ इन हर रूम. मैं अपने रूम में थी. आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार, आई हैव टू मेक एन अपडेट वीडियो लाइक व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड. सो या, that is it. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning because I'll wake up super early because ये चीज़ I've realized कि जितना सोते हो ना उतना खोते हो. तो मैं सुबह जल्दी उठने वाली because I have to do a lot of things for me and I have to plan a lot of things as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll show you how tomorrow will went. Okay, तो अभी के लिए शुभ रात्रि. Good night.
On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On this ride, let's make love. If you want to mess around, don't tell me. Every time you out around, I'm blazing. I'm aware you're telling lies, but I wear to close my eyes. On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe.
Hey guys, this is the very next morning. We had our breakfast and everything. I took a shower, and right now we are making this transition video. I mean, I really love enjoying making our transition videos. So पहले मैंने सिर्फ एक बार ही बनाई, which was really fun. So yeah. So इसके बाद we are just gonna go and get ready. Right now I'm just wearing this traditional suit for the transition video, but that is not my outfit. I'm wearing something else for today. So उसके बाद I'll switch my outfit. I'll change my outfit. So let's go. This is what I look before, and we should do the transition in 3, 2, 1, and
Me right. On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right.
so we are done with the filming and everything, and I just want to show you where I'm actually recording. This is the road, मतलब जहाँ से people are actually passing by. See, I've seen people staring at me like, what is she trying to do? But it doesn't matter. I got my pictures and my videos, and this is what I look like. I did this makeup बहुत ही you can say जल्दी I did this makeup because we were running out of time. But yeah, thankfully I have done with almost everything. So I'm just gonna go and give you all a quick update about what I'll be doing next. So current update, I'm just adding a few jewelries to the outfit to make a complete look. And yes, this is what we are wearing. I don't know if I should give outfit check right now because कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, I'll see you in a while after adding all the jewelries and stuff. Okay, so guys, it is time to give you all a room tour, so come with me. They have this prettiest view from the room. I mean, I love how pretty this is. Also, यहाँ पे there's this water situation that is going on. I don't know if you can see this or not. Second. This is what it looks like. So yeah, that's my mom, my cameraman for the day. And yes, this was the restroom. This is what it looked like. So this was my room. I'm just gonna go and show you all what my parents' room looks like. This is the beauty, you all. It is too hot. So okay, this was me and my Masi's room. So I'm just gonna show you where my parents were staying. So this was my parents' room, you guys. This is what it looks like. Very pretty, very cute. And again, we have the same view from my parents' room as well. But I'm damn sure उन्होंने इस gate को खोल के भी नहीं देखा है ना? नहीं देखा ना? This is what the room looks like. That's me and my mom. And this was again the restroom of the very same room. The interior is quite same, but okay, I had to show you both of them. So yeah, now we're going. Okay, so yes, let's go.
Do me right. On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, you do me right. Stop playing games. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling. Just let the moment take us. These confessions won't break us. It could only make us. It could only make us. Come on, baby, let's do
We
it.
are eating some golgappas.
Together we can get through it. Ooh. If you want to mess around, don't tell me. Every time you
I am having some sweet chocolate mousse. That's a pudding. I'm eating a lot of sweet things lately.
साग, मक्की की रोटी, दाल, बाटी, करेला.
oh, babe, you do me right. On the bed, I want the night. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Yeah. Tell me pretty lies. Hold me closer. Keep me
किसी भी स्टेकेशन पे आते हैं तो आपके अंदर का इंडियन क्यों जाग जाता है मम्मा? इतना स्वीट, इतना मीठा, ओ माय गॉड.
together